Lens concave lens I, it is the lens which is narrower in the center and broader towards the corners. 2. When a beam of light strikes a concave lens, all the rays after passing through it diverge. 3. It gives mostly virtual image. 4. They are also called diverging lenses. Convex lens, I, it is the lens which is narrower towards the corners and broader towards the center. 2. When a beam of light strikes a convex lens, all the rays after passing through it converge at a single point. 3. Mostly real images are formed except when the ray of light passes through it when object is palsied between optical center and focus. 4. They are also called converging lenses.